is your boy DJ S Shine Best International.
Lord, you are the most high. Hallowed be thy name. Lord, you are the most high. Hallowed be thy name. Lord, you are the most high. Hallowed be thy name.
You tell me, say me kind of that everything's gonna be okay. You are the father to the fatherless, the miracle working God. You made the blind man to see, you made the crippled man to walk. You are the lily of Galilee, you make impossible possible.
Kama truki mama, unazinu na mugane tokyo, matana chiani dima. Hallowed be thy name. Lord, you are the most high. Hallowed be thy name. Lord, you are the most high. Hallowed be thy name. Lord, you are the most high. Hallowed be thy name. Lord, you are the most high. Hallowed be thy name. I woke up strong on a Monday. I go to gym on a Tuesday, then to the studio on Wednesday. I work it out till Thursday morning. I be chilling on a Friday. I play some shows on Saturday. If you ask me what my best day is, it's when I praise you on Sunday morning. I got my throat in my mind. Unazinu na mugane tokyo, matana chiani dima. Hallowed be thy name. Lord, you are the most high. Hallowed be thy name. Lord, you are the most high. Hallowed be thy name. Lord, you are the most high. Hallowed be thy name. Lord, you are the most high. Hallowed be thy name. About your love, baby, more than you see now. I'm more. I can't believe the love has taken all over me. Child, the man do more. Child, from the day that I met you, girl, you know my life never been the same. Everything on the day, okay. Since the day that you came my way. Hey, I don't know what thing you give me, choco. Then they say me, I don't follow. Now your love, they make me feel this way. Every day, I'm thinking about your love. Baby, more. Then you see now I'm one. I can't believe your love has taken all over me.
Everything you do, baby, so funny. Everything you do, they make me fall in love with you. I can see that you are meant for me. Nothing in this world can make me stop loving you. Oh, na, na, na. I can swear nobody knows me better. In you I see my only homie. There's no other.
Every day I'm thinking about your love. Baby, more than you see now I'm one. I can't believe your love love us taking all over me. Child, Nimendu mo, child,
Is your boy, DJ S Shine Best International.
From afar, she just a shine like a morning light. I can see very clear, she just a shine in a broad daylight. And she was walking, and I was watching every step and the move she was making. She is adoring, I am admiring her hips and her curves. Beauty is a natural thing, original thing and a mysterious thing. Raise up my voice and sing. I thank the Lord for a beauty queen, 'cause your black is beautiful. Beautiful, my boy. Baby, your black is beautiful. Baby, more beautiful. And your black is beautiful. Black is beautiful. And your black is natural. Black is original. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, yo, yo, yo. My mama. She is black, she is proud and she knows it. She is cool and everybody likes it. She is bold and she's very, very humble. She is strong and can never, never fumble. She is courageous, a Sagittarius, the kind of woman I can take so serious. She's got the fire in her eyes that when you look at her, you will realize beauty is a natural thing, original thing and a mysterious thing. Raise up my voice and sing. I thank the Lord for a beauty queen, 'cause your black is beautiful. Baby, your black is beautiful. Baby, more and your black is beautiful. Black is beautiful. And your black is natural. Black is original. Black is original. Mama, beauty in disguise. And your black is Africa. Your black is Jamaica. And your black is Caribbean. Your black is America. And your black is Nigeria. Your black is beautiful. Chini baby, for so long I've been waiting. Chini baby, for so long I've been waiting darling, darling, darling. Whatever they told you, please don't believe them. Genie, sweetie, sweetie, sweetie. Remember the good days, remember the good times. I am wishing, wishing, wishing to hold you in my arms again, where I can kiss your lips and feel and touch you. Many, many things, baby, you're gonna like it. You're gonna like it. Tell me when it's gonna be. When are you coming home back to me? I wanna know. Are you coming in June or July? Tell me now. Or will I have to wait till November or December? Chitty baby, when are you coming? Chitty baby, when are you coming? I wanna know now. When are you coming? Oh, Chitty baby, I wanna know. When are you coming? I wanna know. I've been waiting for so long. I've been trying to be strong. Yeah. I don't wanna wait in vain. Baby, when are you coming back? Chitty baby, when are you coming? Chitty baby, when are you coming? I wanna know now. When are you coming? Chitty baby, I wanna know. When are you coming? I wanna know. Chitty baby, I wanna know. When are you coming? Tell me. Oh yes, I wanna know now. When are you coming? I wanna know now. When are you coming? When are you coming? When are you coming? I wanna know. I wanna know. Respect. I just wanna know. Respect. My woman is gone. My woman is gone. She's gone. She not the love of my life, the only one I adore. She knows how to do some things that no one can do. I know that they wronged you. I don't mean to make you cry. I'm a little wagara, messy by your side. Oh my party, if you see me crying, my woman is gone. Honor, 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 beya. Bikonu, Kabanuya, she did my wife. 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 Who's gonna cook my food? Who's gonna scratch my back? Who's gonna cover me if I dey catch it cold? Never underestimate the strength of a woman. It is strong like an iron. She just can't take it anymore. She says, Soja go, come. She never ever wanna see my face. She said, no, no, no. Looking at me eyes, you will see what I wanna. Girl on the line, yes, I've been a radical. Oh my body, if you see me crying, my woman is gone. Honor, 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 beya. Bikonu, Kabanuya, she did my wife. Honor, beya. Bikonu, Kabanuya, she did my wife. Honor, beya. Bikonu, Kabanuya, she did my wife. Honor, beya. Bikonu, Kabanuya, she did my wife.
Are you give my wife girl, you know? Make no suit say to let me know. It's written all over you, say you're my wife. Give give me the chance to pay the price. See me now, me love you truly, girl, me love you truly. Since the day you left me, it's never been easy. As I am sorry, very, very sorry. Forgive and forget, girl. Now you'll be my wifey, girl, you know. Need to say I to let you know. It's written over you, say you're my wife. Girl, give me chance to pay your price.
Oh my body, if you see me crying, my woman is gone. Honor, 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 beya. Ikonu, Kabaluya, no she be my wife. Honor, beya. Ikonu, Kabaluya, no she be my wife. Honor, beya. Ikonu, Kabaluya, no she be my wife.
Smile, goose pimple for your cheek, kill dimples, your attitude so simple. No, oh yeah, for your face, no wrinkle, ever leave, beautiful, tenderly, so gentle. Oh no, Omo to me, yeah. Omo to me, yeah. Omo to me.